So now in today's lecture I am going to tell you the difference between the heat engine, refrigerator and heat pump. This is very important. Usually the question has been asked about this. Now first is your heat engine. Heat engine, that is an engine, it is working between the two different temperature T2 and T1. T2 is the higher temperature and that is called reservoir, and T1 is the cold temperature, that is called sink. Now the engine is taking heat from the reservoir, Q2 heat is coming to the engine, work is being performed by the engine WE, and heat is rejected to the sink. So here we have got lower temperature T1, higher temperature T2. In between that the engine is working. Therefore, the efficiency of the engine is given by work done upon heat supplied. Efficiency of the engine, that is WE upon Q2. WE upon Q2. Q2 is the heat supplied. W is the difference between the heat Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q2. That is Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q2, heat supplied. And that will be coming to you 1 minus Q1 upon Q2 if you further solve it. W. Now the next one is the refrigeration. Refrigeration, here also we have got the hot body and we have got the cold body. In between that it works, refrigeration. So again here the work is being supplied to the refrigerator. In the engine work was being performed by the engine, but here in the refrigerator work is being supplied. So it is absorbing the temperature heat from the lower temperature and work is being supplied, and we are getting higher temperature. We are adding heat to the higher temperature side. So that is Q2 heat, that is given by Q1 plus WR. WR is the refrigeration work. For creating the refrigeration, we are supplying the work normally through the compressor. So this is your refrigerator. Work is being supplied to it, and it is absorbing the heat from the temperature T1 to temperature T2. So this is your refrigeration. Here the COP of refrigeration is given by Q1 upon WR. WR, Q1 upon WR. Q1 is your the heat supplied from the lower temperature to refrigerator, and WR is the work which has to be supplied to refrigerator, and that will amount to Q2 minus Q1, because Q2 is higher temperature, Q2 is higher temperature, Q1 is the lower temperature, Q2 minus Q1, that will be the work which is being supplied. So now in refrigerator COP comes into the picture, not efficiency. COP, that is cooling effect upon work supplied or work done. So cooling effect is your, here Q1 heat is being taken out for the refrigerator and that is being added with the work and it is going to the high temperature side. So COP is given by, COP of refrigeration is given by Q1 upon Q2 minus Q1. Q1 upon Q2 minus Q1. Q1 is the heat supplied, Q2 minus Q1 is the work done. Now the third equipment, that is your heat pump. Similar to refrigeration, heat pump works in the same way. Here low temperature T1, high temperature T2, and P is the heat pump. Again work is being supplied to the heat pump. Work here also being supplied to the heat pump, and we get that the cold body T1 and hot body T2. Heat from the cold body is being transferred to the heat pump and that goes to the hot body, and that is Q2 to Q1 upon W. Now here we are utilizing the temperature of the higher side. In refrigeration we have been cooling from the lower side. Here we are getting the heat at the higher side. That's why it is called heat pump. It is pumping the heat from the lower side and supplying the heat to the higher side. We are getting the extra work. So in case of heat pump, that will be COP of pump, or energy, that is also called uh, energy performance ratio. Here COP is known as energy performance ratio. Now you see here we are using heating effect upon the work done. Heating effect, that is Q2. There in the figure, Q2 heating effect, it is giving the heat to the hot body. Q2 upon वर्क डन WP. तो Q2 की वैल्यू हो गई आपकी हीट गिवन टू द हॉट बॉडी. WP is again the work done, that is Q2 minus Q1. Okay. Now you see very important thing, that if you add 1 to the energy performance ratio of the heat pump, we get the COP of the refrigeration. See, Q1 upon Q2 minus Q1, that is the refrigeration, COP of the refrigeration. You add 1, then what we will get? Q1 plus Q2 minus Q1, then Q1 cut हो जाएगा, and we will get Q2 upon Q2 minus Q1. That is the energy performance ratio. So 1 plus refrigeration COP we have got here, this one, the 1 plus refrigeration COP, that is 1 plus refrigeration COP, what we have done over here, 1 plus refrigeration COP plus 1, refrigeration COP plus 1, that will give you the COP of the heat pump. So there is direct relation between the COP of the heat pump and refrigeration and COP of the refrigerator. So heat pump and refrigerator are interlinked with each another. In refrigeration we are utilizing the lower side of the refrigeration temperature, and in case of a heat pump we are utilizing the higher side of the temperature. So it is being used for heating. In the winter we are using it because we get the higher temperature, so we can make the room heat, we can heat the room with the help of heat pump. While in summers we use refrigeration, so we can get the room cooled with the help of refrigerator. But these two, this refrigerator and heat pump, are interlinked, are interrelated with each another. While engine is separate, in case of engine we are getting the work done out, while in refrigeration and heat pump we are supplying the work. This is the basic difference between the three. Refrigeration and heat pump, we are supplying the work, while in engine we are getting the work done by the engine. And these three have got different application. So the difference between the heat pump, refrigerator and the difference between the heat engine, refrigerator and heat pump has been explained with the help of these figures. These figures are important to represent the engine, refrigerator and heat pump. Normally this question comes, predict the difference between the three: heat engine, refrigeration and heat pump. So this is the difference between the three, and the relation between the COP of the heat pump and refrigeration has been shown over here. COP plus 1, COP of refrigerator plus 1 give you the COP of the heat pump, or energy performance ratio of the heat pump. Thank you.